Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on managing income in Xreference. In the realm of accounting, income encompasses various revenue streams and financial transactions that contribute to the financial health of your business. In this guide, we'll delve into the intricacies of recording income through different methods, including sales, jobs, and income transactions. By understanding each method, you'll optimize your income management processes, enhancing efficiency and productivity across your administration tasks. Sales represent the most straightforward method of recording income. It involves the sale of products or services to customers, accompanied by the creation of invoices. The sales process is efficient, allowing for immediate payment handling within a single screen. While quotes are optional, they streamline the transition from quote to sale, eliminating redundant data entry. To initiate a sale, head to the Services section in the menu and select Sales. Here you'll find a list of existing sales, with options to edit, delete, or email invoices in the Action column. Note that the Email button may be grayed out if the customer lacks an email address. To create a new sale, locate the Add New Sale button at the top and click it. Start by selecting the customer for the sale. Once an item is chosen, you won't be able to alter the customer selection, so it's crucial to pick the customer first. Next, utilize the Add Item button to include items on the invoice as required. The current item selected in the list can be modified using the Update button. If necessary, the Extra Item button allows for the addition of surcharges, shipping fees, materials, or discounts, catering to non-inventory dynamic price items. Once the sale is complete, save it and send it to the customer via email. If a payment was made, enter it beforehand and then save the sale. A payment from a customer using a credit card will automatically add a credit card fee to the amount payable and create a credit card fee item on the invoice. If you do not wish to pass on credit card fees, set the fee amount to 0 in the maintenance screen. This will apply globally, so it only needs to be done once per pay type. Upon saving a sale, a PDF of the invoice is generated automatically. Before sending, review the PDF by clicking on the corresponding icon in the sales list to ensure accuracy. The process for creating a quote mirrors that of a sale. Simply navigate to Services, then Quotes, and follow the same steps. To convert a quote into a sale, edit the quote and click the Convert to Sale button. The original quote remains intact and can be kept or deleted as needed, as it holds no financial implications. Jobs in Xreference are a powerhouse feature, offering a comprehensive solution for managing income with unparalleled versatility and functionality. Let's delve deeper into the myriad of capabilities within a job invoice. To initiate a job, head to the Services section in the menu and select Jobs. Here, you'll find a list of existing jobs with options to edit, delete, or email invoices in the Action column. To create a new job, locate the Add New Job button at the top and click it. The first tab is identical to a sale, but there are 4 additional tabs for job information, gallery, support, and documents. Jobs enable you to capture intricate details of each call-out, ensuring thorough documentation and accountability. Each call-out represents a block of time allocated to a customer by a service personnel, allowing for multiple call-outs with different personnel, times, and purposes. You can track service personnel assigned, work instructions, and call-out outcomes with granular precision, facilitating efficient scheduling and resource allocation. The Service Personnel Portal fosters seamless communication and collaboration between field personnel and administrative staff. Service personnel can access real-time job information, submit updates, and communicate effectively, enhancing professionalism and responsiveness. Job call-outs streamline scheduling by automatically generating work schedules and optimizing resource allocation. Tracking travel time, distance, and labor charges effortlessly enhances operational efficiency and profitability. Jobs in Xreference empower you to store images in a dedicated gallery, providing a visual narrative of before and after transformations. For instance, a cleaning company can showcase the condition of a carpet before and after cleaning, addressing any customer concerns and demonstrating the efficacy of their services with compelling visual evidence. This feature enhances transparency, instills confidence, and strengthens client relationships by offering clear and tangible evidence of the value delivered. Within jobs, you can add support issues and document items which are outstanding or customer feedback, and then have a very good way to seeing resolved and outstanding issues and how they were resolved. This leads to customer retention and satisfaction with a systematic approach, because things should not be forgotten when they appear outstanding on the dashboard every time someone logs in. Cross-reference also allows you to create projects and associate multiple related jobs, facilitating comprehensive assessment of combined outcomes. This feature is invaluable for evaluating project profitability and effectiveness, enabling informed decision-making. Income transactions are utilized for non-standard income events, such as asset sales or miscellaneous revenue sources outside typical business transactions. For instance, selling old office equipment on platforms like Gumtree would warrant an income transaction, ensuring clarity and separation from regular business income. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, we're here to help you make the most of our platform. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us using the About screen in Cross-Reference.